Do you want to stream your Xbox gameplay but you don't know where to start? It can be super confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to stream with your Xbox and laptop step by step. So first, let's talk about setting up your Xbox for streaming. You're going to need the Twitch app, okay? So download it, download Twitch from the Microsoft Store, log in, and you're already almost there. This app lets you stream directly to your channel without any hassle, okay? Next thing you're going to do is you're going to need Xbox Game Bar on your laptop. It's built into Windows and is the key to connecting your Xbox and laptop for streaming. So make sure it's enabled and ready to go. Then you're going to connect your Xbox to your laptop using Xbox Console Companion, okay? Xbox Console Companion. This app helps you mirror your Xbox screen to your laptop. You're one step closer to streaming like a pro. So once you're all set up, it's time for audio. Blue Yeti Microphone is a great choice for clear sound, making sure that your viewers hear you perfectly while you play. All right? Now, finally, you're going to use Streamlabs for easy overlays and stream control. It's user-friendly and helps make your stream look awesome. Okay? So now you're ready to basically go live. So hit that stream button, show off your skills. Like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.